What's up, everybody? It's your boy Chef Lemaire here, doing this quick little video so we can talk about the difference between catering and going out to a restaurant. I often get this question: oh, why does my catering cost more? When I go to a restaurant, does it cost me that much? Such and such, and oh, why this caterer charges me this and you charge me that? There are different factors. First thing we got to keep in mind: when you're going out to a restaurant, you're going out to a restaurant and they serve you from that location. They're focused on multiple guests at the same time. Versus catering, you get the restaurant at your place on location and they're solely focused on you and your guests. The second thing to keep in mind also is that there's labor and time, there's travel, and there's the setup that it involves, and as well the type of staffing you'll need. Servers, bartenders, cooks, chefs, dishwashers, bussers, they all have to come into play for your event alone. Now, the third thing you have to think about is also the type of equipment that is needed for your event. You go to the restaurant, everything is already there. The tables, the chairs, the tableware, for example, glasses, flatware, china. Whereas the catering, we have to think about, do you need chairs, tables, linens, plates, glasses, silverware, ovens, burners, stovetops, anything that you'll need to make sure that this event is a success. Now, the fourth thing is you got to think about the menu. A menu has to be customized for your event specifically, because when you go to the restaurant, the food that you have at the restaurant is what you have to choose from. There are two types of caterers. There are the professional caterers and there are the part-time giggers. Who are the full-time professionals? They're the ones who have trained chefs, trained service staff. They're also licensed and insured, and also they are experienced on large-scale events. But the main thing is they're focused on quality, professionalism, and also on reputation. Your part-time giggers are those who often cook from home or they only cater for part-time. That means it's not their main source of income. So they may be more affordable, but at the same time, they lack some services or resources. So you end up having some inconsistency in your quality and your food, the quantity. How do you choose the right caterer? Well, the type of event that you're doing definitely matters. For all your formal events, such as weddings, gala, engagement parties, and things like that, definitely use a full service caterer. For anything related to office parties or little gatherings at home, a drop-off might suffice. But anything that has a dietary focus, such as vegan, kosher, try to look for a specialty caterer. What are the key takeaways? Caterers offer a personalized and flexible service, which comes at a premium. Not all caterers are the same, so choose wisely depending on your needs and your goals. At the end of the day, you'll get what you pay for, and convenience, experience, and service. That was it, my friends. Thank you for watching and spending your time with me. Now, if you like this, like, comment, and share. Let me know your thoughts. What surprised you? What did you already know? Until next time.